Hello everyone, welcome to all my YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. Anil Kolfe, Assistant Professor of Economics, Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bhavdan Budruk, Pune. Today, we are going to discuss about the meaning, nature, and importance of Indian financial system. First, introduction. The financial system plays a vital role in the economic development and raising the standard of living of people of a country. It helps to promote the development of weaker section of the society through rural development, banks and cooperative societies. Then the financial institutions helps the customers to make better financial decisions by providing effective financial as well as advisory services. Then the financial system accelerates the rate and volume of savings through provision of the various financial instruments and efficient mobilization of savings. Then meaning and definitions of the financial system. A financial system may be defined as a set of institutions, instruments, and market which fosters savings and channels them to the most efficient use. Then, next definition is that a system that aims at establishing and providing regular, smooth, efficient, and cost effective linkage between depositors and investors in known as financial system. Then financial system in India. The Indian financial sector today is significantly different from what it used to be a few decades back in the 1970s and 1980s. The financial system of the pre-reform period essentially created to the needs of planned development in a mixed economy framework where the government sector had a predominant role in economic activity. The next, nature of the Indian financial system. The financial system is business organization serving as a link between savers and investors and so help in the credit allocation process. Good financial system is vital to the functioning of an economy. If finance were to be described as the circulatory system of the economy, financial components, institutions, financial instruments, financial markets are its brain. They make decisions that tell scare capital where to and ensure that it is used most efficiently. It has been confirmed by research that the countries which develop financial system grow faster and countries with weak ones are more likely to uh, undergo financial crisis. Therefore, it is important to understand what is the nature of financial system of India. First is that transfer funds. Financial system helps in transferring of financial resources from one person to another person. This system includes financial markets, financial intermediaries, financial assets and services which facilitates fund movements in an economy. Then second, mobilizes saving. It helps in allocation ideal I resources with people into productive means. Financial system is the one which obtains funds from savers and provide it to those who are in need of it for various development purposes. Then third one, risk allocations. Diversification of risk in an economy is important feature of financial system. Financial system allocates people's funds in various sources due to which risk is diversified. Then fourth, facilitates investments. Financial system encourages investment by the peoples into different investment avenues. It provides various income generating investment options to people for investing their savings. Then fifth, enhances liquidity. Financial system helps in maintaining optimum liquidity in an economy. It facilitates free movement of funds from households to corporate, which ensures sufficient availability of funds. Then liability. Liability assets and size transformation consisting of the mobilization of funds and their allocation by providing large loans on the basis of numerous small deposits. Then last seventh, maturity. Maturity, it means the maturity transformation by the offering the savers then tailor-made short-term claims or liquid deposits and so offering borrowers long-term loan matching the cash flows generated by their investment. Then next, the importance or role of the Indian financial system. The economic development of any country depends upon the existence of a well organized financial system. It is the financial system which supplies the necessary financial inputs for the production of goods and services, which is turn promote the well-being and standard of living of the people of a country. Thus, the financial system is a broader term which brings under its fold the financial markets and the financial institutions which support the system. The major assets traded in the financial system are money and monetary assets. The responsibility of the financial system is to mobilize the savings in the form of money and monetary assets and invest them to productive ventures. Therefore, it is essential to study about the importance or role of Indian financial system in economic development of a country. First importance is that savings investment relationship. To attain economic development, a country needs more investment and production. This can happen only when there is a facility for savings. The financial system mobilizes the savings of the people by offering appropriate incentives and by depending and the widening the financial structure. In other words, the financial system creates varieties of forms of the savings so that savings can take place according to the varying assets preferences of different classes of savers. In the absence of the financial system, all savings would remain ideal in the hands of the savers and they would not have flown into productive ventures. Then second, encouraging investment in financial assets. The dynamic role of the financial system in the economic development is that it encourages the savings to flow into financial assets as against physical assets. The investments in physical assets are speculative and would breed inflation. On the other hand, investments in financial assets are non-inflationary in nature and would aid growth in the economy. The larger the proportion of the financial assets, the greater is the scope for economic growth in the long run. Then third importance is that helps in growth of capital market. Every business requires two types of capital, namely fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital is used for investment in fixed asset like plant and machinery, while working capital is used for the day-to-day running of business. It is also used for purchase of few materials and converting them into finished products. Fixed capital is raised through capital market by issue of the debentures and shares. Public and other financial institutions invest in them in order to get a good return with minimized risk. Then working capital is getting through money market where short-term loans could be raised by the businessmen through the issue of various credit instruments such as bills, promissory notes, etc. Then fourth, foreign exchange market. It enables the exporters and importers to receive and raise the funds for settling transaction. It also enables banks to borrow from and lend to different types of customers in various foreign currencies. The market also provides opportunities for the banks to invest their short-term ideal funds to earn profit. And even governments are benefited as they can meet their foreign exchange requirement through its market. Then fifth importance is that government security markets. Financial system enables the state and central governments to raise both short-term and long-term funds through the issue of bills and bonds which carry attractive rates of interest along with tax concessions. Thus, the capital market, money market along with foreign exchange market and government securities market enable businessmen, industrialists as well as governments to meet their credit requirement. It is way the development of the economy is ensured by the financial system. Then sixth important is that infrastructure and growth. Economic development of any country depends on the infrastructure facility available in the country. In the absence of key industries like coal, power and oil, development of other industries will be hampered. It is here that the financial services play a crucial role by providing funds for the growth of infrastructure industries. Then development of trade. The financial system helps in the promotion of both domestic and foreign trade. The financial institutions finance traders and the financial market helps in discontinuing financial instruments such as bills. Then foreign trade is promoted due to pre-shipment and post-shipment finance by commercial banks. They also issue letter of credit in favor of the importer. Thus, the precious foreign exchange is earned by the country because of the presence of financial system. The next point is that the employment growth is boosted. The presence of financial system will generate more employment opportunities in the country. The money market, which is a part of financial system, provides working capital to the businessmen and manufacturers due to which production increases, resulting in generating more employment opportunities. And with competition picking up in various sectors, the service sector such as sales, marketing, advertisement, etc. also pick up the leading to more employment opportunities. Then ninth, attracting foreign capital. The financial system promotes the capital market. A dynamic capital market is capable of the attracting funds both from domestic and abroad. With more capital, investment will expand and this will speed up the economic development of a country. The next, economic integration. The financial systems of the different countries are capable of the promoting economic integration. This means that all those countries where will be common economic policies such as common investment, trade, commerce, commercial law, employment legislation, etc. Employment legislation, etc. Then next point is that the political stability. The political conditions in all the countries with a developed financial system will be stable. Unstable political environment will not only affect their financial system but also their economic development. And last importance is that uniform interest rates. The financial system is capable of bringing a uniform interest rate throughout the country by which there will be balanced movement of funds between centers, which will ensure availability of capital for all kinds of industries. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.